Good morning, guys. I'm here at Walmart because I'm gonna buy an air horn because I could never scare Zoe whenever she walks in the door. I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna scare her today. And I'm not just gonna scare her, I'm gonna scare a lot of people. So let's do this. Okay guys, so I couldn't find any air horns at Walmart, so I decided to look everywhere in town. And I couldn't find any until I looked at AutoZone, and AutoZone has some. I'm here at Sonic, about to get some food for Zoe. I hope I make it on time. I have about 10 minutes to do all this.
Wow.
Yes.
He's on the one, go ahead. He's the only one.
Hopefully this works. Okay, so I just got out of class here in Amarillo, and then I came putting some gas, and I saw this bottle, this water bottle, and it's just, it was so cool. It was so cool. I just had to get it. It was $10, but it was totally worth it. I usually get hot Cheetos, hot fries with cheese, and then I got this because I was feeling lucky. Hopefully, I win some money. I'm gonna use this nickel right here. Let's do this. I won right there. Huh. I wonder. Just won $5. At least I broke even. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try to make a beat. I'm gonna try to make the music in the background for my time lapse and all that. I don't even know if it's gonna be good or not. I'm just gonna wing it here. Alright, so this is what I have so far. Let's see. Let me see if I can turn it up a little bit more. So this is all I got. I really did not like it at all, but just so y'all could listen. Such a beautiful day right now. I have my windows rolled down because it got really hot in here, and I could just smell the cookout smell. I love it. So I'm looking for Marco here at the park because I'm going to show him the beat. I really don't like it, guys. I really don't, honestly. But I'm going to see. Oh, I see him right there. Look at him. See you later, Marco. See you later, Jessica. Bye. Okay, guys, so I just ordered pizza, and Zoe's gonna be making it for me. Hey, Zoe. Hey. Whoa. Where's the pizza at? Where's the pizza? In the oven? It's all for us. Yes. Alright, let's look. Aww. Perfect. Thanks, Zoe. You're welcome. It looks perfect.